going to find the length of a side of this triangle. We have to find the side marks as x. First step is we have to label the sides of the triangle. As in earlier lesson we learned, the side opposite the right angle is called hypotenuse. Then we can mark this must be in order. Angle opposite the right angle, that is hypotenuse, that is SH, and the side opposite the mark angle is called O. Opposite of the mark angle we have to mark O, and the other side is called as adjacent, SA. Then this is the triangle. Second step as we marked HOA. Then we already know A is 10, O we have to find the side O, and this is the angle, given angle as 25.4 degrees. Then we know nothing about H. So we need the function involving O and A. We have to find O and A. We don't know about H. Then can you remember that day we learned Trollin, that sentence, a simple sentence, Trollin of fascia. That means tan. Trollin of fascia, tan of O, fascia A. This is the connection with this. We know nothing about H. Then we know about O and A. So tan, we have to apply this angle, tan 25.4 degrees equals O means x we have to find, and A means there is 10 centimeters. Then we have to find 25.4 degrees in tables. In tables it tells 0.4748, that is tan 25.4 equals to x 10. Then we'll take x as 0.4748 into 10. We have to multiply this decimal by 10. Then x equals, when we are multiplying by 10, this point goes there, 4.748. If we take 3 significant figures, x equals 4.75. This is the answer, length of this side x.